Celine.
No!
Happy birthday to you.
Where are you going?
Brisbane show. Eka Brisbane show.
Brisbane show. Have a look at her outfit for today, guys. Wow.
This is the back of my shoe.
Oh, turn around, lang. Lang, turn around. Whoa, beautiful. Walk to mama like a model. Good morning, guys. Welcome back to our channel. Happy Sunday, everyone. Sunny day in Brisbane today. And we are all dressed up. Ayan. Naka-aura si mami niyo tsaka yung mga kids because we are going to Eka. And it's a Brisbane show. So remember last year pumunta kami doon. Maliliit pa yung mga kids. Oh my god.
I remember that.
Yeah.
That's on TV.
That's on TV?
Yeah.
Yeah. So now, actually, like, obviously, Paris remembers it, but Celine, kasi maliit pa si Celine noon. And now, she's more, bigger, yes. And she's talking and that, so it will be fun. Anyways, ito yung pa-outfit natin for today. Alam niyo ba, it's 28 degrees in Brisbane today, so it's, hala, I'm sweating already.
I know.
Ayan, yung suot ko.
I have fire power.
With this. Ayan. So, ganyan ang aking guys, pa-outfit. Ayan, flats lang. Tapos, itong aking denim na mini dress. Nilagyan ko lang ng white sa ilalim, guys. Kasi mukhang, kita ng ating bubilya. And this is my bag. And, itong sanis na binili ko sa ukay-ukay. Pak! Hala! Hala, first time ko to siyang suotin, guys. Meron akong isa, di ba, yung anong tawag doon? Anong brand yun? Oh, Gentlemanster. Yun. But, sabi ko, try ko ito kasi hindi ko pa to siya nasuot. You like it lang? Ate,
Yes.
have a look at my sunnies.
That looks similar to mine.
Yeah, I know, actually.
But
Very
yours is a square. Mine is not. Mine is a round.
Round?
Round square.
No, it's more like a...
I mean, it's not very sharp, but yours is sharp.
Mm-hmm.
So it's pointy, but mine is not. So that's the
But it looks so cool, honey. You look like a...
Roka?
Madam.
And a roka?
A rocker. You look like a madam. Come on.
Come on, let's go.
So, Lini is here with Daddy Mike. Alam niyo ba? Paiyak-iyak siya, guys, kasi gusto niya yung suot ng ate niya. Yung suot kasi ng ate niya, guys, merong tingin niya sa consequence.
I think that's Daddy. Yeah.
Tapos yung sa kanya ay lang ba, princess lang sa baba. Gusto din niya ng ganun, guys. Iba rin talaga ang ating baby Celine. It's very exciting, guys, kasi kasama namin si Daddy Mike ngayon. Last year, nung pumunta kami, ako lang, tapos yung dalawang kids with our friends, yung best friend ni Ate Paris.
Yeah, I love her.
Yeah, of course. And, yeah, it was a bit challenging kasi, having two kids and late pa ni baby Celine noon. But, this year, inano talaga namin na Sunday para makasama si Daddy Mike. Last year kasi, hindi yun siya, weekdays yun siya, public holiday, pero si Daddy Mike nag-work pa rin. Kasi, double time is life. This time pala, guys, naglalakad kami kasi papunta kami ng Morningside. Yes, Morningside Station. Magka-catch kami ng train just like last year kasi anong nangyari dito man? It's very hard to get a parking doon. Sobrang daming tao. Actually, sa balita yesterday, careful, ate.
Ma, which way I'm going?
This way. There were 40,000 people sa show yesterday. So,
Where?
Today,
Where's my show?
yeah, we're expecting the same. So, magkakasama pa rin kami guys ng friend namin, yung Thai, yung best friend natin Paris. Mag-meet kami doon sa Morningside train station. So originally, mag-drive sana kami. Tingin-tingin, sobrang hirap maghanap ng parking doon. So, we decided na mag-catch na lang kami ng train. So, baka nandun na nga sila. 11 AM kasi yung usapan namin na magkikita kami doon. Buti na lang din hindi kami malayo sa train station. Excited na oh.
I see people there.
I think maybe Celine matutulog na yan soon. Which is good.
I can,
Kasi
I can
nap
hear
time.
Amy's voice.
Can you? Okay, go. No. Sakit. Karo lang. Nakarating lang namin dito guys sa South Bank ata ito. Catch the bus from here. Tomorrow is Celine's birthday, honey. Lene girl, how old are you tomorrow?
How old are you?
Tomorrow I'm going to school.
Just
Are you? Yeah, two. Just two. Just two. No rushing for Celine.
3.5.
Open and shut all through the town.
Again,
No,
dancing.
too much.
Again.
So the wheels on the bus go round and round, round and round, round and round. The wheels on the bus go round and round all day long. All through the town.
It's a different version, honey.
Doors on the bus go open and shut, open and shut, open and shut. The doors on the bus go open and shut all through the town.
Today is the last day of Celine being one. Lene, after tonight, you'll be two. Wait.
Don't do that.
You will be two.
Hey, don't do that.
Oh, that's scary. You look like a monster. Lene monster. You're a mermaid.
The mermaid.
Mermaid. Do you like mermaid?
Yeah.
Yes.
And we already swim in the pool.
Oh yes, I know. You have swimming pool. Oh yeah, perfect day for swimming pool today. Lene, whose birthday is it tomorrow?
Celine.
Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, dear Celine. Happy birthday to you. Oh, here you go, Eka.
I don't know how we're gonna do this.
We're already in Brisbane show when we get off the bus.
Nasa bus na kami,
Wait,
guys.
are we off the bus
Tingnan niyo.
yet?
Ang mga kiddos ay nandito sa likuran. And yung mga gurami ay nandun sa harapan. Last year, we didn't have to catch the bus. Train lang yun straight, but something has changed this time. You put your studies on, te? No? Tingnan nyo. Sobrang cute nila, guys. Ang cute. Ah, so the museum is there.
wall as in kitchen. So everyone can kind of like no one
Celine,
will as
hindi
well.
pa
Like,
natulog.
everyone just
Ah.
stand and then watch us.
She's enjoying
no
the
one's gonna
view.
eat, man. No, just be like watching.
Okay. This is us. Okay, down? Oh, of course. It's going down, isn't it? Are we going down?
Wow.
Down? Go, go, go.
I see people. Me too. See, I can see 1, 2, 3, 4, 5.
Come on, Uncle. You can do that.
Say hi. Goes like
Andiyan na, guys. Look!
It's scared and stuff.
We can see it now. We have tickets already, guys. Dito kami. Yung wala pang ticket doon sa kabilang gate.
People be on the phone in the kitchen. And they
one?
make the room already doing one.
Hindi pa rin tulog. Okay. Bob, Celine has got her legs crossed. Look. So cute. Look. Lini, can you see it? Allah, hindi ka talaga natulog, nak. Ikaw na talagang walang nap. Oh my goodness. Oh, that's too high.
There's no way, man. Like, no, there's no chance of any opportunity. Firstly, my boss would
Ooh.
You want to play? You sure? You're not afraid?
Lin, can you see it, Lin? Wow, grabe. Daming tao na, guys. Wow. Look! What happened?
What about you, lady?
Sobrang daming tao, guys. Kaya dito na lang kami sa hotdog kasi walang masyadong linya. Ayan. For Daddy and for Carol. Just cheese, no chili. Hey! Putty, 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 yummy. Hang on. Oh, is that mine?
Another one.
Throw it. Come, princess.
Nelly?
Your turn, Anya.
I can't go back.
Wow!
Here you go, man. So look, don't hit the rim. Don't hit the teddies.
Come on, guys, we having a game? Two in you, okay?
There's one hit. One more for the big one. Here we go.
Short!
Come on, boys.
One more.
Ah!
Here's what I do. You get another game.
Old McDonald's. Oh, tignan yung mga tao. Going that way? Yep. Banggaan, guys, dito. Nakatapos lang namin kumain. Hoy, Pinoy. Oh, black guy. Kaya lang kumain na kami. Ayaw na mag-stop ang mga tao ito. Filipino food. Oh my God, barbecue. I know, it's old McDonald's.
Oh, that's the exit. You don't get it.
Oh, yum. We got Filipino food.
Yes.
Games. More games. And yung ating ate Paris ay nandoon, no? Exchange kami ng anak.
So you get 3 for 10, 7 for 20 will guarantee a better price no matter what.
Ba! It's cheap! Go, go! Wow! Go!
I'm gonna hold it first. You will see it.
Have a look!
Okay.
Wow! You can go closer. Closer. Look. Kinuna na yung ano, ng kanyang bull.
That's how. That's to know which leg is it.
That's right.
What's the sheep sound?
What's the sound of the sheep, Lini? What's the sound of the sheep? Ba. Wow.
That one?
Looking.
Yes.
Lin. Wow.
Lin. Ma.
Ba. Lin. Lini.
Daddy?
Wow, she's shy. That's super cute.
Wow.
Do you want to put it on your head? Give it to mommy, B.
Everyone has that.
Wow. What do you want to say? Lini, what do you say?
Thank you.
What do you say, Paris?
Thank you.
Say thank you. Say loud. Thank you.
Thank you. Cute naman ang kanilang mga hat. Are you shy? Are you shy? Are you shy? Shy, sleepy, shy? Hmm?
Say thank you.
Thank you. Are you Ariel?
Good. You stop.
Oh, beautiful. Look at your face. Oh, Lily.
You wanna see?
Not yet, Daddy.
Yes.
But I'm surprised now. I'm so surprised that she just there. Yeah. Well, as long as it's mermaid, she's happy to do it. Yeah. She's so pretty. Oh, Papa. Beautiful. Oh, but look at Celine, guys. She's being so patient. Oh, there's another pretty girl here. Pretty mermaid. My little mermaid.
You know how she looks.
Well, this one's financial.
So good.
There are boys here. Tiger, Batman.
Doing really well, Lynn.
I'm just gonna put the feet up there.
Ah, yes.
Lift your tongue, make it stick out like this.
Lars. Lars.
She gave me the thumbs up.
Oh my goodness. What do you say to the lady?
Thank you, sweetheart.
Thank you. Oh, have a look at Lini.
I pay for this one too, yeah?
Yes. Yes. Yeah. Oh, beautiful. Lini, look. Okay, this way.
Come on, girls.
This way. Come, Mama. Wow, you look so beautiful. Look. She's so cute. Look at Mommy.
Parang?
You're
Oh,
my little
Mommy,
mermaid.
parang.
Look at yourself. Paris, look at here. Wow.
I like the glitter.
You like the glitter? Have a look. Wow.
Can I
Look
touch
at
it?
Irene. Rainbows! No way!
Alright,
Oh my
girls,
God, this
can
is
I
fun.
take a photo of you all?
Hi! We're going on this ride. Which one is this? Jurassic roller coaster. You hold on, okay? Hold on like this, oh. Hold on to Uncle. Paris, wait for Uncle. Excited. Ang bata na hindi ko makasakay. Look! Wow! That one is gonna go fast. Real fast. Hindi pa rin natulog, guys. Oh. Do you like it? Wow! That is beautiful. It's a mermaid, yes. Tingnan niyo ang kanyang mata. She's very sleepy, guys, but she's having fun. So ayaw niya matulog. Do you love it? Yeah. Are you happy? Is Lini happy? Mermaid. Ate Paris is there, guys. Oh, sasakay sila dito.
Go on.
Look, Ate is there. Oh my God, that's so fun, Lini.
Sorry, my phone out.
Let her out. Let her out. That's my favorite nationality, Maori. I love it. Friendly. I don't know how long yet.
Tingin si ate lang? Oh, kawawa naman itong batang ito eh. Next time lang. Next time you can do it, okay? Maybe next year. Paris! Irene!
Scary?
What is it? Where's Uncle Richard? Was it fun? We'll go this way. We'll go this way first. I know, we'll follow this one first and then we can go to the other one, okay? Oh, sabi sobrang abot. Ay! You can go on this one. Well done. Very tall. You? How about you? Wow. Good job.
Girls, are you guys want to do this one? Irene, Anya.
Can we go?
No. Do you want Paris?
I
Wow, that's small. Leaning! Hold her, Baba. Lean! Wave hi to Mama. Nini! Lini! Turn around, Bob, so I'll shoot your photo. Wow! Wow, that's fast. Leaning! Paris! Is it good? 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 How was it? Which one?
Do you guys want to go that one, the princess first?
Wow, Jasmine. Paris.
Jasmine?
Princess Jasmine.
Over there, Paris. Let's go over there first.
Come on.
Yeah, that's the one I wanted to go to.
Okay, let's go.
Oh, Lady, how was it, babe? Good. Wait, another ride. Celine will be too small for this, guys. Hindi siya hi, guys. Oh. Wow, Lady, Paris. Wow. Mini! Baba!
Really?
Mini! Oh my god! He's so behaved! Oh my goodness! Look! Have a look at Celine!
Who's that?
Look at Lini!
That's Ati.
It's her turn! Oh, Celine! Oh, no, not yet, honey. We didn't get a ticket for this. Thank you.
Thank you. Have a good day.
Rachel, thank you so much. Oh my God, Celine. Such a big girl. You're such a big girl. How was it? How was it? Look. Oh my God, Celine is having the best time of her life.
Look at that. Celine looks graceful.
This is where I'm meant to be.
I think they've run out of money on their tickets.
Yeah. Wow! How was it? Good? Celine! Thank you so much. Hi! Did you have fun? Did you have fun? Good girl. Such a strong girl. Whoa! Thank you to the lady. Bye-bye. Come on. What's left? Good job. Show bag time, guys. We'll get Celine now. Little Mermaid.
This is 35.
Thank you. Celine will be very happy. Thank you. Yeah. First Celine, Daddy Mike and Paris are here. Tingnan nyo kay Paris, Broncos, Brisbane. Ito talagang kanyang tatay ay.
You know what furnace?
Huh?
My fan.
Yeah, I'm not sure. Wow, ate, show me. Wow. What's in there? I think you bought that for Daddy.
You want it?
Okay, come on. Magising na ang baby girl. Have a look. What is it? Mermaid. Mermaid. Ayan yung Ate Paris. Ang dali yan. Naglalaro. Woo! Do you like it? Yeah. You happy? You happy? Alright guys, exit. After walkies, we'll go grab something to eat. Hindi na kami sasakay dyan guys. Oh, sobrang haba ng linya guys. Bye Brisbane Shah. See you next year. So see you next year. What is it like? Well, that's how it works, honey. That's the Brisbane show for 2023 and looking forward for 2024. You'll be bigger. Aww, did you have fun? We're going to have our dinner here, guys. Full moon Thai. Dito din kami nag-dinner last year. We're doing the same thing this year. Why not? Oh, it's good if they're not too busy.
Why we're not too?
Okay, girls. Dinner time. We're done now, so.
Wait, when it's daytime.
Happy
Birthday
to... What was your name?
Wait.
Happy birthday to Celine.
No!
Happy birthday
To you. Oh, yes! Blow! Blow? Blow? Blow?
Big blood.
Blow? Oh my goodness. Oh. Blow. Yay! Hip hip!
Hip hip.
Hip hip! It's a shine! Oh, yes! Say thank you! Say thank you! Wow! That was very...
Today's a pre-birthday.
It's birthday tomorrow.
Yay! It's my tomorrow, it's my Wednesday, okay? The whole month your birthday.
Stand right there. Come on. Say cheese over here. 1, 2.
Guys,
Smile!
Anya.
Tita!
Any big teeth?
Show your teeth!
Right.